Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So in today's episode we will just explain how to open PS5 because I don't think I've made a quick tutorial, so let's do it as always 5 to 10 minutes. Let's switch to the photos. So this is the top of the game console, so we from the top we just lift it up and we just try to gently pull it down, but we need to do it and on the left hand side and on the right hand side simultaneously. Okay, so you see on the second side will be the same from the back. Yes, it's as well left and right. The top need to just be lifted so that we can pull it down to ourselves, yes, to the bottom of the console. Next, we use the central part of this element on the side of the screws, because there will be two sides, of course. Yes, when you will take out both, I always take out both because I don't want to scratch it. Yes, you don't have to do the second part if you trust yourself that you won't scratch it. That's up to you. I recommend to take them both and don't worry about it. Yes, especially if it's in a pristine, like minted condition. Yes, so then here this top you can lift it up and then both those sides will be left inside, and then you can just pull it out pull it off. Yes, so that's it. Then you've got here, there are only 3 Phillips screws and that's one of them. There is 2 more as well, but those later on you will meet. So this is the Phillips screw. We unscrew it. Then we unscrew all of the screws across here, yes, everywhere. We just go with one size of Torx, and it's a security Torx. Then you can just literally lift it up. Only what I recommend for the beginners to leave those screws. This one is super short, okay, this one here. I mean this one, yes, this one is super short, but this one and this one got a thin thread and this one got a thick thread, so worth knowing, because then it's easy to make a mistake. Why you would? Yes, no need. And you can leave, like I get used to it, leaving all the screws inside. That's why I don't have to, you know, memorize or mix them or whatever. I've done them so many times that it's okay, but that's what it is. Then you can disconnect all those connectors here, here, here. Yes, that's my black tape because I was doing this like I've opened it second time because I've replaced HDMI port. Customer was happy, it was fine, it was tested here, it was tested at customers, but then after some time customer said, look, there's no picture. Yes, so they brought it back, and now I will be looking into it. That's why it's here, and that's why it's open second time. And then you go across all those screws here, yes, here on the bottom, here, everywhere. So that's what it is. Yes, and I've shown this part better so you can see more vividly how it is. Just keep in mind there are holes which don't have, so either this video or take photos yourself. You see this, you can disconnect as well. And okay, double photo, that I didn't know. Yeah, if you wanna, you can take small magnet as I'm doing, because then you add up, and you don't worry that you will drop some of or putting them away. They will be always in one pile. I like this method best, so I thought I'll show it. Then it's a time for the clamp and for this part. So clamp is here on 2 Phillips screws. That's the last part. So you unscrew just these screws. And then this element is, be gentle please, because I've seen people tearing this here. Lift this from both sides simultaneously with 2 hands, and this way you will never damage it. Yes, I had only 1 damage till now, but I still had it because people don't know how to open it, and that's what you end up with. So it's still okay, you know, you can still clamp it and everything, but you know, it's not nice when things are broken. So just lift up from those 2 sides and you'll be fine. Then this one you just need to press. There is a metal thingy here, just press it. Yes, press it, and when you press it you can pull that one. It will be heavy to do, but the first time is the worst. Then you know how to do it, it's much easier. So you just literally take it to the bottom to yourself and then pull it, that one one time only this handle has fall out. Every other time this handle has been okay, and I've done it many times, so you know, so I've got some practice, like a lot of practice you can say. So you're just pulling this cable outside. Then you lift from this side and go towards that side, and that's the last side where you need to lift up, because here are two pins going inside to the power supply. All the PlayStations, like 4 let's say, have it, yes, and there are two screws if you need to remove power supply on the other side of what we were dealing with. And that's it, guys, that's everything. That's explained in 5 minutes. Okay, so that's it in this video. Hopefully you find it interesting. If so, please leave me some like button if possible. Let's fix them all, and see you in the next video.